Hey traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to focus on this free tool that we have called app.pipscan.site. What I did basically was to clone Deriv, then I added bots to it so that we can get faster executions. Okay, so if you don't like using the new Deriv platform, I got you covered because this is the old Deriv, and you can trade here and the trades are going to be replicated in your new Deriv account, so don't you worry. Okay, so today we are going to be using this diff scan strategy, and I'll use a stake amount of $100. So we are going to set the minimum absence, okay, the confidence to 60, minimum absence to 15 is okay, 100 ticks, then 5 seconds cooldown, then you press hunt. It's as simple as that. Then you target like how much you can target. $100 profit. Why is it not executing? So whenever you see the buttons are blurred like this, that's just a small error, so you just refresh your page. Then you do the settings again, set the minimum absence to 15, then you press the hunt mode, set your minimum pressure to 60, then you press hunt. So that's it. So it's going to execute when there's a signal here, so this has to be 60, at least 60. So the absence of this tick is 20, 21 now. First trade win. We are targeting to make like $100. We are moving on nicely. We are at $18. Nice, $24 now. $30. $36. We're moving on nicely, guys. Nice. $43 already. So we're going to hit $50. There we go. We already have $55. So it has automatically switched to digit 3. It was executing the first 5. Now it has switched to 4 because it's searching for the perfect, it's hunting. That's why it's called the diff finder.